Pinning a tab in VS Code puts that editor tab in a consistent location, no matter how many other editor tabs you have open. For example, say that I was often working on this package.json file and I wanted to be able to reference it easily. You can see that I have a number of other editor tabs open, so as I'm working on other files here, it might lose track of it in the tab bar and have to go scrolling back through it. I could use pinning to fix this. So to pin this tab, all I have to do is right-click on it and then say pin. And when I do this, you can see that VS Code has created this new special editor tab over here that is my pinned editor. Now what's nice about this pinned tab is that you can see it that as I scroll, let me switch to another file here to make that more obvious. As I scroll, this pinned tab over here actually remains the same. So it remains in a fixed location, while the rest of the tabs I can scroll through here. Now if I want to go back to the package.json file, all I have to do is click on that pinned tab. Now I'm back to that file. I can pin other tabs as well, so I could go pin this post install script if I wanted to. Now I have these two tabs that have been pinned. I can pin as many things as I want, and then in this nice compressed format over here, I can just switch between them like this. As soon as I'm done with something and I want it to be unpinned, I can just go in here and say unpin. That editor will still be open, but it is no longer pinned. So that's a quick look at editor pinning in VS Code. It's useful if you need to reference a small set of files and you're used to using the mouse to navigate between editors.